How to add alt text to images in Wix Studio. So do not click onto this add element option or to this plus icon right here into your left sidebar. Now, once you have done that, you can just add in here an image of your choosing. So click on image option right here, and then it will add this image. Now, what we can do is you can head over and then you can just change this image according to what you want it to be as well. So for example, let's click onto this change image option, and then it will open our Wix gallery. I'll just choose this image and click onto this update option, and then that image shall be added. Now, once the image has been added, you can click onto the square icon, which is our image settings. Now, from there, you can see this what's in the image. So it will actually become your alt text. So you can put in here the alt text that you want. So for example, black back. Let's put that as our alt text. Now from in there, just close this in order to save the changes, and from in there, click onto this publish option. So that's how you add alt text images in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.